Today we're going to be sharing 3 different ways that you can display your dried flowers. You'll need to grab a few jars with lids, collect some dried flowers, and then you'll need some skewers and some oil. I chose to use baby oil, but you can also use mineral oil. Then you'll just start adding your dried flowers to your jars. Then just use your skewer to adjust them and put them in place once you've got your flowers in there. At this point, you can either just leave them in there and add a cork, or you can top them off with a candle that fits the opening of the jar, or you can turn it into a Japanese style herbarium. So to do that, you'll just add the oil, and this will preserve the flowers for quite a long time. Some people say only a few years, but I've had some that have lasted for over 20 years.